Orlando Auto Body is a family-owned and operated auto body shop that puts safety first. Shane and his younger brother Jason started working in the auto body industry in 1987, then opened their first shop in '89. Through hard work, providing quality collision repair and friendly service, the Orlando Auto Body shop has grown 10 times that original size, with a state-of-the-art facility helping more than 1,000 vehicles annually.
This is a great place to work at because Shane's always been a good guy to work for. He's very honest and it's just good attitude and just pleasant atmosphere here. So I've been here, worked for Shane for probably a little over 12 years altogether.
I love working here because it's a team environment. Everybody works as a family and we all work as one.
I enjoy working at the Orlando Auto Body because of the people that I get to work with and the stuff that I learn. I also enjoy getting to do what my dad did as a kid. And yeah, it's just a fun job.
I did 3 tours in Vietnam. I'm 72 years old and still doing this. I like working here because I enjoyed getting the quality out, and that's what the owner, Shane Orlando, wants the quality to be right, dead on. I'm one of the top bodyman techs in the valley. Anything that can be done on a car, I can do.
I enjoy working here because Orlando Auto Body is a family-owned business. We've been around for 30 years, and it's been a pretty unique experience for the both of us to combine both of our talents. And together we're making this thing into a really successful business. I think that we do a really quality repair. We actually work for the customer, we don't work for the insurance companies. So in turn that makes for a better repair for the car and for the customer. We have a great staff, we have a great crew. It's a small shop. It's like we're a family. Everybody enjoys working here. And I think that plays a big part in the repair of the car.
After 30 years of repairing cars, I really enjoy coming to work. I've amassed a crew of people who really care about what they do. Quality and safety come first. Quite frankly, the culture at this business is something that I'm extremely proud of. I've got my brother working here, my wife, my kids come in the summer to help on cars, and it's just a great place to work, and we truly care about our clients and the safety of their cars.
Join our family and visit Orlando Auto Body in Mesa, Arizona for your next repair or complimentary post-repair inspection.
For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.